Okay, because you're gonna. Some people would be really fascinated by this. I've never seen that before.
Use discount code JACOVIRAL to save when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video.
So what's your name and what's in here, man?
Sam Fulcher, Extraordinary Audio did everything. Ben at the shop there. I switched out. I got two ZV5 Sundown 10s, two Orion 2500.1s, one going to each sub.
Okay.
And then Orion 2000.1 going to all the mids and highs, the 8s and everything.
Yeah.
Here.
Have you metered it yet?
I just did a 164 in the port.
Okay.
I usually do a 165.8, but I got a problem. So.
You do? Okay.
But on the dash, I did a 144.8. So it's not too bad.
That's not bad for some tents. Yeah.
Let me find a good song right quick.
Okay. What was your peak?
31 hertz and 41 hertz.
Okay, so two peaks. Got it.
Well, the 31 was the port peak, and the 41 was the
got it.
high peak. Sorry, man. I'm trying to.
You're good, man.
Let's see. You like the Eagles?
I'm not picky.
You're not picky. Okay.
No, I've heard everything.
Turn the mid up. Get it. Got some language, but I don't guess
that's all right. Sure. That's a good one.
I mean, for 10s,
yeah,
it really
does. Really impressive. Can I see the back? Yeah. Or the box?
Yep, sure will. I got
nice.
I got a 45 amp hour lithium battery from King, lithium from Jeremy King.
Yeah.
Hyogen 320 amp alternator.
Okay.
I'll show you.
Hyogen alternator. All right. Awesome.
Never mind my cheater port.
Cheater port.
Cheater port.
So what is this?
This, yeah, are you recording this? Because I don't know if this.
I'll turn it off.
I don't know if this is loud or not. Well, I mean, they do this year. I think it's going to be not next year. They're going to cancel it. But anyways, basically what I do before every run is I pull this sub out, and I have a blocker that I screw in place to block the big port. I take this cap off right here, right? Put the meter in here. Put everything back. When I put everything back together, when I meter, it's just made. If you look right here, it's got a hole where this pipe goes up. The meter sits right in.
Whoa.
And it lines up right with the speaker on the meter.
That's a good idea.
Yes, it's a very good idea.
That's fascinating.
And it works. I gain 10 decibels by doing it.
Is it alright if I show these on camera? This. Show this or no?
Hell with it. I don't care.
Okay, because you're gonna. Some people would be really fascinated by
Yeah,
this.
I don't care.
I've never seen that before. Awesome. Thanks for the demo, man.
Hey, man.
What was your name again?
Sam.
Sam. Thanks,
Yeah.
Sam. Jacob.
Yeah. Oh yeah. I got.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JakeAViral when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media: Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.